If you've ever used Duolingo, you know that the app's mascot is a little green owl named Duo. Since I've been obsessed with cockatiels for over a year now, I decided to launch a challenge: draw Duo as your favorite bird. Before we start, if you like science fiction, you can find my books on Amazon in ebook and paperback. Links in the description. I chose 3 poses and started sketching the shapes to make sure they all fit in one page. Then I began refining them one by one. In cases like this, it's important to maintain the original identity of the subject by modifying the distinctive features of the owl and replacing them with those of the bird you've chosen. When dealing with such simple shapes, it's important that they are defined and recognizable with just a few strokes. The most distinctive features of the cockatiels are their yellow crest and red cheeks, so I took special care to include these elements in each drawing. After drawing the sketches by hand, I took a photo and imported it into Clip Studio Paint to color it. I decided to keep the style of the original illustrations, so for the first I used the flat logo colors, while for this one, where Duo is a ball, I decided to enrich it by making it more three-dimensional and accentuated lights and shadows. This is my first ever digital drawing, so please forgive me if I seem clumsy, it's because I am. The channel is called Frasar Journey precisely because I'm learning as I go. If you have any suggestions on how to speed up or improve the process, please leave a comment in the description. that's it. It took me about an hour to do the sketches and about 2 hours to color them. What do you think? They turned out cute, right? I hope many of you will participate in this challenge, and I can't wait to see in what birds you transform Duo into. Write it in the comments, and if you feel like posting them, tag me on Instagram or TikTok. Happy drawing, everyone!